Hello everyone, this is Mandalorian Helmet that I've been printing. Yeah, this project's taking way longer than I thought it would. Anyways, final print. Everything. I've had a couple ups and downs with this helmet, and as a new printer, it's kind of taught me a lot about it. So I've watched a lot of videos where it's like, how do you get the right size? How do you make sure the right size? You print these little rings. So that way, if it fits around your head, or fits around the body part that you're trying to print, then you know it's the fit. And then you kind of size accordingly to the ring. Another great tool that I found from a YouTuber named Uncle Jessy, kind of like these little calipers, and you measure the size in between that. I'm still getting used to my printing software, so I don't 100% know how to kind of completely work them. So there's like little size things you can figure out. For me, the rings are the best at this moment because I can kind of gauge the size. This was the first print I tried to do of the Mandalorian helmet. It ended up failing, and I've had these are called supports. If you don't know 3D printing, these are supports. I've kind of had the supports printed too thick, so it really stuck to the helmet there. And these little wavy lines right there, I was having issues with the hot end piece, the part where the plastic comes out, and it ended up getting clogged. This is another helmet that failed. So as you see, it's on there, no top piece. Almost a bit magneto. But anyways, so right here, it failed the first time, so you can kind of see where it kind of lifts up right there. I messed with the G code a little bit so that way I can get it to try to finish printing. However, it ended up failing up here, and with that printer, the hot end kind of broke. This one was 100% my fault. The bed wasn't leveled for on one side, so I kind of rushed the print on it. And the other side, it was kind of like it was slipping too because it didn't have like hairspray on it. So there was that. But yeah, so that's a little fail right there. This one was completely successful. Looking onto it, I don't see any major defects. This is done with a 0.4 nozzle, a stock nozzle on the CR10. Centerpiece, well, it's really not needed, and when it was printing, it looks like the printer didn't need it at all. You can do it without. However, the programs that I'm using, I don't really know how much to do it. I'm using Idea Maker. You can create the struts on there instead of automatically doing it. But I wasn't 100% sure I was going to do it, so I just used the CR10 or the Creality one, and I think it's like based off Xura. So I just used that software on it. We're going to get all the little bits off for this episode and continue from there. These are printed in 5%. So it's a real thin layer of support piece onto it. All waste material when printing it with supports. Like all the support, again, really you need is just for the eyes and to hold the helmet up. As I print more, I'll be happy to share it with you, let you all know my experiences with it. But yeah, look forward to seeing you all again. Consider following as I finish up this costume project, and I'll be starting other projects as well as I wait on supplies for this or doing other prints. Anyways, bye.